Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove all type of virus from Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove all types of virus from Windows 10 computer, go to search. In search type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. Here from Home tab, you can select Virus and Threat Protection, or from right pane, select Virus and Threat Protection and then click on Quick Scan. It will scan all files and directories on your Windows 10 computer and detect the virus, and it will automatically remove the viruses. Scan has been finished and no current threat is showing. Now close Windows Security. Again in search type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup and select one after another volume to clean up the disk. I am selecting drive C and click on OK. Now click on clean up system files. Again select C drive and click on OK and select all types of files from here. Now click on OK and click on delete files. The disk is cleaning up. In this way, clean up all your system drives and data drives also. Now right click on start menu, click on run. In run type temp. Now click on OK. Click on continue. Now select all temporary files and press shift and delete key, and now click on yes to permanently delete all temporary files. Click on continue. Close File Explorer. Again right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type percentage temp percentage. Now click on OK. Select all and press shift and delete. Now click on yes to permanently delete all temporary files here. Click on continue. Now close File Explorer. This is the easiest way to remove all types of virus from Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.